A 7.2-inch diagonal touchscreen control panel, 14.2-inch diagonal cluster display, and 16.9-inch diagonal infotainment screen all make up Escalade's state-of-the-art OLED interface. Tap or swipe on the control panel to select options regarding trip information. Cluster view selection, available head-up display adjustments, and available night vision display preferences. Gain a simplified appearance by selecting the trip information page and swiping left to reach a blank screen. Swipe from right to left on the blank screen to return to the control panel menus. Tap the road icon multiple times to cycle through pages. Select Cluster View selection on the control panel touchscreen to choose between Gauge, Map, Augmented Reality, or available Night Vision display on the center cluster display. Select Gauge View and gain the ability to customize content to the left and right of the center speedometer. Change content on the left side by tapping the Vehicle Information app icon on the infotainment screen, browsing, and selecting desired content, then tapping Show in Cluster. Remove content from this zone by tapping Remove from Cluster. Change content on the right side by using the right side steering wheel controls. Content may also display in this zone when using the button switch bank located on the instrument panel left of the steering wheel. This curved OLED infotainment screen also features an app tray along the left side of the screen. Tap a different icon for quick access to the app. To customize, press and hold, then drag and drop your favorite icons from the infotainment screen into the app tray. Swipe left to right to enable home view and get a snapshot of common vehicle features. Tap any widget to see additional details. Or press and hold to replace the widget. Swipe to reach additional home screen pages, where large icons for features like audio and phone will display. Tap any icon to see additional details. When touching the screen, apps appear in a traditional linear layout. Use the rotary controller and the apps change to a carousel-style view for easier control. Or use the surrounding hard buttons to go directly to an app. Rearrange the order of the apps on the screen by pressing and holding, then dragging and dropping the icons. Drag the app to the edge of the screen to move an icon to a different page. For more information, refer to the owner's manual.